Hello kids, you welcome to another exciting class. In today's class, we'll be treating exercise 24. Exercise 24. Remember in our last class, we worked with some concepts. In today's class, we'll be working with a simple concept. They are the addition and subtraction concepts. Very simple concept in this lesson. Alright, let's start now. Here is our first example. Study this example carefully. 3W 9 equals to 1. 16W 8 equals to 2. And now what does this stand for? This is a form of a code. Now, let's go to our board. In this very example, alright, in this very example, that W stands for plus. So if you see something like 3W 9 equal 1. What does this mean? This simply means 3 plus 9 equals to 12. In this very place, 1 is a code for 12. So wherever you see 12, wherever I see 1, that simply means 12. So 12 is represented by 1. So 12 means 1 in this very example. So 3W 9 equal to 1 simply means 3 plus 9 equals to 12. And the 12 in this very example means 1. That is it. Alright, let's go back. So 16W 8 equal to will then mean 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 equal to. Okay, let's go to our board now. Alright, that is 16 plus 8 equal 24. And 24 will not mean what? I know you can get a 2. Are you getting it? So that is just the code. That is the code. 40 plus 6. 40 plus 6 will give us what? 40 plus 6 is 20. 20. And in 20, we have only 1 12. That is 14 plus 6 will be 1 12. And what will be remaining? The arrow there stands for remainder. 1, that is 12. What will be remaining? 8. So 1 remainder 8. So that is the meaning of 14W6 equal 1 remainder 8. Guess this is so easy. I know you can do the questions that follows, the quiz and the assignment in this regard. Alright, having done this, let's go to our next example. Alright, this is also simple. Here we are given some numbers in column and in rows. Okay. EA plus FB plus EB. In fact, it's so simple. EA stands for what? 4. That's it, is it? EA stands for 4. FB stands for 9. And what's the next? EB, look at it, stands for 3. As simple as that. So you add them up. Let's consider the other part. GA. GA stands for what? 0. FC stands for what? F, trace it to the seed side. FC stands for 7. And ED stand for 2. Multiply this number, we have 0. This is so simple. I know you've gotten it. Gotten it? Alright. So that is for that. So whenever you are given this in your quiz, in your assignment, so you can easily multiply them. If it's division, all you have to do, just trace them. Link it to the number appropriately. Trace the other one, link it to the number appropriately. Then you add up, you subtract, you multiply, depending on the mathematical operation that is given to you. The next example we'll be considering today, let's go to our next example. Study this example carefully. This will look like G, right? It look like G. Alright, we have 2 at the beginning, 3 and 6 at the bottom. Then we have 11 and 17. So what is the secret behind these numbers? So let's get started. Alright, let's assume we are looking for 17. 17 was not given. How can we get our 17? This is 2 plus 3 plus 6 will give us 11. That's what this 11 stands for. Can we come again? 6 plus 2 plus 3. Sorry, 6. Let's start from the beginning. 2 plus 3 plus 6 will give us this 11. Are you getting it? Just add the 3 numbers. 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 will give us 11. Now, how did they not get the 17? 11 plus 6 will give us 17. So what you just do, if you are to look for the number in this 17th place, what you have to do, just add the number at this 11th time and the bottom. Okay, let's make use of our own. That is 2. To get 11, to get our 17th place, this is 2 plus 3 plus 6. Which is what? 11. Then this 11 plus the 6 again at the bottom, which is 17. Or you can do it on that way around to save the time. What you simply do, just say 11 plus 6. Since that's 11, there is a see this 11. Since this 11 is a sum of the 2, 3 and 6. What you simply do, just add 11 plus 6, we get our 17. 11 plus 6 give you our 17. Okay. Having said that, let's assume this 11th place was not given. How can we get our 11? Assume it was not given. How can we get our 11? So simple. What you simply do is 17 minus 6. Simple. 17 minus 6 will give us our 11. Okay. Kids, hope you got that. I know you've gotten that. Okay, assuming our 2 was not given, how can we get our 2? What we simply do, we are going to add 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 will give us 9. So let's remove 9 from this 11. Don't forget, we got 11 by adding 2, 3 and 6. So now for us to get our 2, this number in the 2 place, what you simply do, add the 3 and 6, then you remove it from the 11. 3 plus 6 is 9. So remove the 9 from the 11. That is 11 minus 9 will give you 2. The same thing applies to the 3. Assuming 3 was not given. Assuming this 3 was not given. So how can you get your 3? Assuming it was not given. How can you get at your tree? Let's go to our board to explain this. Okay, let's wipe this up. Remember, the tree is the place we are looking for. This very place, that's what we are looking for. Assuming it was not given, how can we get the tree? What you simply do is add your 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is what? 8. Then you remove the 8 from the 11. 11 minus 8 will give you what? Your tree. That is that. That is how you can get it. Hello kids. We've considered some examples these are. So I want you to go through it carefully, understand how the various parts was gotten, and then attempt your quiz and do your assignments. Kids, with this we come to the end of the class today. I know you learned something. Have a nice time. Enjoy yourself. Attempt your quiz, do your assignment, complete your portal work. Bye for now.